The Industrial Revolution, which began in 18th century Great Britain, was driven by two key forces, coal and steam. The transition from wood to coal as a primary energy source was a critical step in the development of the Industrial Revolution. Coal, which was abundant and easily accessible in Britain, replaced wood for heating and cooking, leading to a significant increase in demand for coal. This, in turn, necessitated deeper coal mining, which often resulted in flooded mines. To address this issue, James Watt designed a steam engine in 1776 that used coal to produce steam, which drove a piston assisted by a partial vacuum. This innovation was initially applied to pump water out of coal mines, allowing for more efficient coal extraction. The steam engine's efficiency and versatility were later improved by Watt's business partner, Matthew Boulton, and others, making it the standard power source for British and European industry. The widespread use of steam engines in factories and transportation systems, such as steam locomotives and steamships, revolutionized travel and manufacturing, leading to the growth of industrial cities and the rise of modern industry. The availability of cheap coal and the development of efficient steam engines were fundamental to the Industrial Revolution's transformation of human society, enabling the mass production of goods and the rapid expansion of manufacturing capabilities. Coal-fired steam engines provided a reliable and powerful source of energy that could be used to drive machinery in factories, allowing for the mechanization of production processes. This led to significant increases in productivity and output, as machines could work faster and more consistently than human workers. The steam engine also revolutionized transportation, with the development of steam-powered locomotives and steamships. These new modes of transportation allowed for the efficient movement of raw materials, finished goods, and people over long distances, facilitating the growth of global trade and the expansion of markets. The use of coal and steam engines also had significant social and cultural impacts. The rise of industrial cities, such as Manchester and Birmingham in England, led to the growth of a new urban working class. Factory owners and industrialists amassed great wealth, while many workers lived in crowded, unsanitary conditions and faced long hours and low wages. The Industrial Revolution also led to the emergence of new social and political movements, such as trade unions and socialism, as workers sought to improve their living and working conditions. Despite these challenges, the Industrial Revolution ultimately transformed the world, leading to unprecedented economic growth, technological innovation, and social change.